friends, hope you all are well. Summers are here in full swing. It is time to drink lots of water and fruit juices as this season demands it. During this time, especially in Asian countries, the climate is too hot and humid, so our body starts dehydrating and loses its moisture. Therefore, we should take adequate of water and fruit juices regularly to save ourselves from dehydration. In summer, we should drink 8 to 10 glasses of water in a whole day. You should avoid oily foods and stick to more of fruit juices. Another thing you can do is to make yourself a detox water and sip it in intervals to make your body cool and retain its moisture throughout the day. It's very easy to make detox water. You just need a glass jug of water, then add some spices like white cumin seed, which is good for digestion. Then add pieces of cucumber, which is alkaline in nature, so the body remains cool. Then add lemon juices, which has vitamin C and improves immune system. Lastly, flavored it with some mint leaves. Make this detox water overnight and start sipping whole day from morning till evening. You will feel fresh and rejuvenated. You can make detox water twice a week for maximum result. Detox water will refresh your liver and kidneys by removing all the toxins from your body. In summer, detox water is a must for better health. So happy living, stay healthy and positive. Please like and subscribe my channel for more such tips. Thank you.